Is it worth to learn Selenium WebDriver in 2023? This is a frequently asked question by beginners in software testing field or experienced professionals who wants to learn automation tools to enhance their skill set. I am Amod from the Target Common YouTube channel and I want to keep my point of view on this topic today. We all will agree that there are so many web automation tools in the industry. Some of them are open source, that is, they are free of cost, and some are paid. Some of the major tools are Selenium, Cypress, Catalan Studio, Tricentis, Playwright, WebDriver IO, Test Complete, etc. And all these tools have their own pros and cons to each other. Just for an example, in Selenium WebDriver, we need to write some lines of code to launch the browser, close the browser, and we need to explicitly wait for the element to meet some condition before we perform any action on that, like click, send key, etc. But in some automation tools, there is no need to write any code to launch the browser. They also provide the auto wait. Now in market there are so many automation tools which claim that they are no code or low code tools. So it is obvious to think which tool we should learn or why this tool or other tool. There are no such rules to start with any specific tool, and most of the time it depends on your specific requirements as well. If you are a beginner in test automation or you have worked on some different automation tool and you don't have any exposure of Selenium WebDriver, then I will suggest you to learn Selenium WebDriver, and also I will suggest you to learn it with Java or Python. If you ask again which programming language, Java or Python, then I will suggest Java. Many claim that Selenium is going to be dead soon, but it is not true. I agree that there is a little decline in the usage of Selenium WebDriver, but still it is a mostly used web test automation tool. If you have seen the latest poll created by Naveen Automation Labs on which tool is used in your project, then more than 75% vote goes to Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver was launched in 2004 and now it is 19 years old. And Selenium WebDriver has evolved a lot. And whatever test automation tool you see in the market today, those are directly or indirectly motivated from Selenium WebDriver only. Whatever disadvantages we have in Selenium WebDriver, they try to give the solution of those disadvantages in their tools. So it is really worth to learn Selenium WebDriver. I don't say that do not learn other tools, because we are working in the industry where continuous learning is the key. You cannot stick to one programming language or test automation tool. Again, this is my point of view. Some of you might not agree on this. So let's see some more factors why we should learn Selenium WebDriver. As I said, Selenium WebDriver is still mostly used web automation tool. It provides you more learning opportunities. How? Because we need to write explicit lines of code to achieve some functionalities like launching the browser, if you want to integrate with the reporting tool, or if you want to run the test cases in parallel, then you have to integrate with some other test framework. So we need to do all these things ourselves. So obviously it will give you more learning opportunities, and more lines of code if you write, you will learn more. And also it will make it easier to learn other automation tool, because whatever automation tool I know, I try to do a mapping. Okay, we did something like this in Selenium WebDriver, but here we need to perform in this way. It has more job opportunities. Whatever job portal you use, if you search for the testing jobs, then in most of the job description you will find Selenium WebDriver. It is really easy to learn Selenium because the testing community has made it. There are so many blogs, YouTube channels, paid courses or trainings provider for Selenium, and you will find a lot of content on the basic and advanced concepts of Selenium WebDriver. And don't forget that this is the open source. There is no cost associated with it, which makes it better choice for the organizations as well. And also we have a very strong community support. Because of this community only, the learning of Selenium WebDriver is really easy. Whatever doubt you have, whatever question you have, try to put in some Facebook group, LinkedIn or Stack Overflow, you'll get the answer quickly. and most of the time you'll find that doubt or question you have already answered by someone else in the Stack Overflow or in some other groups. So as per my point of view, it is still worth to learn Selenium WebDriver if you don't know. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video. If you really like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe and share with others. Thank you everyone.